In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Hostinger coupon code in just a few minutes. If you're planning to start a new website or switch hosting providers, this quick guide will help you save some money while setting everything up smoothly. Hostinger is one of the most affordable and reliable web hosting platforms out there. It offers everything from shared hosting and VPS plans to domain registration and email hosting. But what makes it even better is that you can often find special coupons that give you an extra discount on your plan. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and type Hostinger in the search bar. Click on the official link to visit their website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice how clean and user-friendly the layout is. It's designed to help you find what you need without any confusion. Look toward the top right corner of the page and you'll see a login button. Click on it. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your email and password. If you're new to Hostinger, take a moment to sign up. It only takes a few seconds. You can register using your email or link your account through Google or Facebook for faster access. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard, often referred to as H-Panel. This is where you manage all your hosting tools, settings, and websites. Now, navigate to the Marketplace section. Think of it as Hostinger's store. It's where you can explore all the available services, upgrades, and deals. Inside the Marketplace, click on the hosting category. You'll find different plans such as shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS. If you're not sure which one to pick, hover over each plan to compare the features and prices. Hostinger often highlights its most popular option, like business web hosting, which offers great performance for growing sites. Now for the fun part, applying your coupon. On the checkout page, look for the box labeled coupon code. This is where you'll enter the discount. Type in BuildSite15 or whichever valid coupon code is currently active. Then click apply. You'll immediately see the discount reflected in your total price. That's it. You've just saved money on your hosting plan. It's that simple. A quick tip. Hostinger regularly updates its promotions, so even if a coupon expires, new ones are often available. You can check the official Hostinger website, their email newsletters, or trusted tech deal sites for the latest codes. And if you ever run into trouble during checkout or need help applying your coupon, Hostinger's customer support team is available 24/7 through live chat. They're responsive and can guide you step by step. So, to recap quickly, visit the official Hostinger website. Log in or sign up for an account. Go to the marketplace and explore hosting plans. Choose your preferred plan and proceed to checkout. Enter your coupon code and enjoy your discount. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your budget, especially if you're building multiple websites or running an online business. That wraps up this quick tutorial on how to get a Hostinger coupon code. I hope this helped you save a few bucks while setting up your online project. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.